Good morning, everyone. Before we start today's lifting operation, let's talk about inspecting our lifting gear.
Sir, what should we be looking for during the inspection?
Check every wire rope, sling, shackle, hook, and lifting SS wear or missing identification tags. If anything looks suspicious, don't use it.
What if I find a damaged sling, but we're under pressure to finish the job?
Then you stop the lift and report it immediately. No schedule or deadline, also risking a life. What if someone tells us to use it anyway? You refuse. Safety is non-negotiable. You have the right and the responsibility to refuse unsafe work. Speak up. A damages and fail warning and one dropped inserting. So every lift starts with a proper inspection? Exactly. A safe lift begins long before the crane leaves the ground. Inspect first, lift second. Let's work together, follow the lifting plan, inspect all lifting gear, and never compromise on safety. Remember, one inspection can save many lives. Stay safe, everyone.
Safety first, every lift, every time.
These broken wire strands don't look good, and there's a kink near the eye splice. Sir, can I show you something?
What is it?
This sling has broken wires and deformation. I don't think it's safe to use. We should replace it before lifting.
It's only a few broken strands.
Sir, it could fail under load. Relax. We've used this sling many times before, but the inspection standard says damaged sling should be removed from service.
We're already behind schedule.
I really don't think this is safe.
We'll replace it after today's lift.
Yes, sir.
Attach the slings. Rigging complete. Area clear. All personnel, stay outside the lifting zone. Ready to hoist. Proceed slowly. Load is coming up. Looking good. Nice and steady.
The sling broke! Run! Look out! Load is unstable. I'm lowering it. Hold on, easy.
That was close. Someone could have been killed or crushed. The broken wires, they were worse than I thought.
David, you warned me. I should have listened. I just wanted everyone to go home safely. Everyone, listen carefully. Today's near miss happened because I ignored a damaged sling. That decision could have cost lives. From today onward, if anyone identifies unsafe lifting equipment, the lift stops. No arguments, no pressure, safety comes first. Safety is our top priority. We cannot risk any incidents.
Understood, sir. We'll never ignore damaged lifting gear again. No schedule is worth risking lives.
Thank you, sir.